Unlock a world of seamless transactions right from your mobile. Let's dive into mastering GCash in the Philippines. First things first, ensure you have the GCash app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Open it up and log in using your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Sending money is incredibly easy. Tap on Send Money, then send to GCash. Enter the recipient's GCash-registered mobile number, the amount you wish to send, and a personal message if you like. Review and confirm the details. Then simply tap to send. Tired of long queues? Paying your bills is now a breeze. Navigate to the Pay Bills section. You'll find a vast array of billers. Select your biller. Enter your account number and the amount due. Then proceed to payment. It's real-time and hassle-free. Craving some online retail therapy? GCash is your go-to payment method for many online shops. When checking out, simply select GCash as your payment option. Enter your mobile number and approve the transaction within your GCash app. For those looking to grow their funds, GCash offers simple investment opportunities. Explore the Invest Money feature here. You can access user-friendly investment products, allowing you to start building your wealth with just a few taps. Beyond these, GCash enables you to discover rewards, play exciting games, or even pay for your purchases at physical stores by simply scanning a QR code. It truly simplifies your financial life, promoting a convenient cashless environment across the Philippines. And that's how you master GCash: seamless, secure, and incredibly convenient for all your financial needs.